Okay.
Good morning. On behalf of Rotary Club of Chennai Gemini, I have great pleasure in welcoming each and every one of you for this Wellness and Magichi series number 48. As you know, we are in the penultimate month of this Rotary year, and we have been continuously doing this Wellness and Magichi series on every Sunday. I thank all the participants who have been supporting this program. And today the session is extra special because it is going to be done by our own member, Rotarian Anusha Karthik. Anusha is a BCom graduate, born and brought up in Bangalore. In Bangalore, she was working as an accountant executive in IKEA Trading Company. After marriage, she has moved to Chennai. She is a homemaker. Her passion is yoga, dance, and cooking. She learned yoga systematically for more than 2 years and can perform as well as teach various asanas and Surya Namaskar. She taught us a few asanas in one of our physical wellness and Magichi series at Eco Park in Kilpauk on 14th of March. Already 6 weeks have gone by, and that was 36th series, and today we are having 48th series. Now she is here to train us in few more asanas. Over to Anusha Karthik. First, she will teach us and we will follow her. And afterwards, there will be any questions she will be able to answer us. Over to Anusha. Thank you.
Good morning. I'm Rotarian Anusha Karthik, and I'm going to teach you about yoga, asanas, Surya Namaskar, and I'll end up with the pranayam. And today's session, I'm going to take you to the world of yoga session through inhalation and exhalation throughout the entire flow with the flow, and it helps us to improve our flexibility, and it helps us to keep us active throughout the day. So I will start with Om chant, 3 Om chanting. Please come on to your mat. Join your palms. I hope all are ready. Join your palms. Inhale. Oh.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಏನ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು
Inhale. Rub your palms. Place it on your eyes, on your face, and slowly open your eyes. So, Om chanting, it helps us to generate positive vibration within us. So now I'm going to teach you warm up. So interlock your fingers, raise it up, inhale with your heel, go up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. Now, shoulder rotation, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Inhale, exhale. Anti-clockwise. Interlock your fingers back. Neck rotation, clockwise, anti-clockwise. With the breathing.
Anusha, can you close the screen in the background? Close the screen in the background.
So now anti-clockwise. So now move your neck to your right side. Inhale. Exhale front. Inhale left. Exhale front. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now we'll do the hip rotation. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. Start. Anti-clockwise. Raise your palms. Keep it behind and left hand interlocking your fingers. Inhale, exhale. Now the other side. So now I'll briefly explain what I'm going to do with the entire session. So I'll start with warm up, then Surya Namaskar, Asanas, Pranayam, and end with the Om chant. So now let's begin with Surya Namaskar, 3 cycles of Surya Namaskar. So first I will give you a demo, then you can follow me. Those who are doing for first time, you can do it slowly. So inhale, pranam. Inhale, Uttanasana. Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Pada Hasta Asana. Right leg back. Ashta Sanchalanasana. Chaturanga Dandasana. Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, back. Hasta Uttanasana. Next, Pranayama. Exhale. So this is right side, which I did. This is half cycle. I'm going to show you other half. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, left back. Exhale, right. Exhale. Inhale, left. Exhale. Inhale, left. Exhale, right. Inhale, pronounce. So let's do together 3 rounds of Surya Namaskar. Pranayama. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, right foot back. Exhale, left foot back. Chaturanga. Shoulder pose. Exhale, Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, Bhujanga. Exhale, Parvata. Inhale, right foot front. Exhale, left. Inhale, right. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, left. Exhale, right. Exhale. Exhale, right. Exhale. One round is over. Now we'll move on to second round. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, inhale left, exhale right, exhale, inhale, inhale left, exhale right, inhale. Now, one more cycle left. Everyone ready for third round? Inhale, exhale, inhale right, exhale left, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale right, exhale left, exhale. Inhale, bend back, exhale down, exhale left foot back, exhale right, exhale, inhale up, exhale down, exhale left, exhale right, inhale, exhale. So hope you are done the 3 cycles of Surya Namaskar.
Yeah.
Now,
You can give a break for 30 seconds.
if you want to relax, you can relax, you can sip water. By that time, I'll tell you the benefits of Surya Namaskar. Why Surya Namaskar? we are worshipping to the sun god in all forms and its names. So benefits of Surya Namaskar. Actually, the benefits are it helps us to circulate. So blood circulation happens to the entire body, and it helps us to keep flexible, and it helps us to uh, it helps us to keep ourselves from like it improves us in toning our entire body, and it our skin tone will improve, it will glow. So and it also help us to reduce weight very quickly. It will transform our body very quickly in the Surya Namaskar. So these are the benefits of Surya Namaskar. Now I'll move on to two kind of weight loss asanas. That is Padahastasana that we did now, and Utkatasana, that is chair pose. So Padahastasana, inhale up, exhale down, slowly come down. Try to touch your hand towards your feet and bend through inhalation and exhalation. Inhale up, bend back, exhale down. Inhale up, bend, exhale down. Now I'll do with Utkatasana. Lift your hand up, try to come on your knee, sit down, slowly come down, and breathe, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Exhale. So this helps us to burn good amount of calories. So this is one kind of weight loss. And now I will move on to some more asanas. So Trikonasana. Stretch your leg. Put your right foot front. Left parallel to your right. So left foot front facing front, right foot facing towards the right, and slightly put your heel down and put your right arm in front of your right foot. So yeah, right foot. So lift your left palm up. Inhale, exhale here for 5 breaths. Try to open your chest.
You can bend your right leg. You can bend. Yeah, bend change count. Change touches.
Come up. Now the other side. Stretch as much as you can. Lift your left hand up and place it in front. Open your arm as much as you can. Inhale, exhale. Slowly come up. So this is Trikonasana, triangle pose. our belly flat. So now I'm going to show you the Paschimottanasana. Sit down on your mat. So pull your toe front with 2 fingers, with 2 thumb fingers, and try to exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up. Do this for 5 times. So I hope you're done with it. So bring your right leg back and put your right hand towards your right foot, left hand towards your left foot. Try to come down. Inhale up, exhale down. Now we'll do the other side. So now we are done with this. So next, this Paschimottanasana also helps us to keep our belly, stomach flat. Now I will show you Baddha Konasana, the butterfly stroke. So try to push your knee down and push your foot towards your pelvic. And keep your shoulders straight. Inhale, exhale. It helps us to open up our inner thigh. So next, I'm going to show you Naukasana, which helps us to keep our stomach flat again. So lift your leg up and try to pull your arms towards your foot. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Try as much as you can. It doesn't come for the first time. So slowly you can do. If you do a practice every day, you can really do this. Inhale, exhale. Slowly come down. So this benefits in getting your stomach flat. So next, so these are the asanas that is very beneficial for our daily routine. So next, I'll move on to pranayam, that is Khanda pranayam and Bhramari pranayam. These two pranayams are very good for immunity booster. Khanda pranayam, it improves the lung capacity and also kidney, pancreas, everything. So it is very good for health and more powerful breathing. So this pranayam, it's divided into 2 parts. Like you have to inhale exhale. So this pranayam helps you to increase our immunity. So you have to do this breath is divided into two parts. So you have to inhale and exhale. So do it continuously on your mat in Sukhasana. You can do it on your mat. And your body need to be straight. Sit straight. So now we are done with Khanda Pranayam. Now I'm going to show you Brahmari Pranayam. Brahmari Pranayam also, it helps us to boost our immunity, and it is helpful for stress, who are facing stress at home, and those who are having disturbed sleep. It's really good for health, and it really works. And this Brahmari Pranayam also very powerful pranayam. So I'm going to teach you how we can do this. So hold your little finger and towards your nostril. Just press on it. You have to press on it. Don't give too much of pressure. And your index finger on this, and your thumb finger should close your ear. So it should close on both the ears. So this also helps us to remove blockage. If we have problem in inhalation and exhalation, it releases immediately. So I hope all of you have got this pranayam, and let us do it. Hope all of you are clear with this. Any doubt in this?
Can you repeat once more, Anusha?
Okay. So you can keep your fingers towards your nose like this, and your fingers, third finger on your eyes. Don't stress your eyes. Don't stress. This is very sensitive area, so you should not press there. You have to keep it here. Hope I'm visible to you.
Yeah.
So this index finger in front of your eyebrows, and your right thumb and left thumb closing your ears like this.
Yes.
You just don't have to put inside. You have to just close with this. Can you see?
Yeah, we can see.
Yeah. I hope you're clear now.
Yes.
Okay. So come to Sukhasana, cross-leg position. Keep your shoulders straight, back straight. Let's do this for 5 breaths. You have to inhale and you have to make a B sound. Like this. So while inhaling, you have to inhale and make a B sound. Like you do Om Shanti. let's do it for 5 times at your own pace. Let us start now. Slowly open your eyes. Open your hands. So place your arms on your thigh with chin mudra. Close your eyes, don't open your eyes. So let's chant Om followed by 3 Shantis. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Relax yourself. Gently rub your palms. Rub nicely. Produce good amount of heat. Place it on your eyes, on your face, and slowly open your eyes with a big smile. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Anisha.
Thank you, Dr. And President, for giving this opportunity. And I thank Sujata ma'am for giving this opportunity to represent myself as a yoga trainer.
Thank you. It was excellent. And if there are any questions, people can ask Anisha.
You were phenomenal, Anusha. We really enjoyed. And you were so flexible. Oh my God. Especially that Naukasan. Naukasan was, you were totally into it, and you're able to bend your head. I think it needs so much of practice, right?
Yeah, it will take a lot of time to get into that flexibility. It should be a daily practice to get into that flow. So it doesn't come in one day. It will take a lot of time. So as we keep on doing, it will help us to, generate flexibility.
Yeah.
And Surya Namaskar is one of the very, very excellent, powerful, which I've experienced by my own to reduce my weight and transform myself from, kilos. So this is very healthy and important for all of us to do Surya Namaskar and Hasanas as a daily routine.
Very nice. Wonderful. Wonderful.
We recognize the presence of Mr. Godandar, who is the president of RCC MIG, and also Rotarian JVK sir. Welcome, sir. Hope you have been watching the program. JVK sir is our senior Rotarian, and he has been doing yoga for several years. I should say decades. I welcome Neeraja Shankar. Yes, sir. Pathingla.
Anusha, yeah, in the Brahmari, how many times we have to breathe in and breathe out? Brahmari.
So 5 times, you can do it for how many ever minutes you want. So I did it for 5 breaths. So you can do as much as you want, and you can do it in morning and night so that you'll get good sleep. So you can do before going to sleep.
Okay. And it should be done in Sukhasana, isn't it?
Yeah, it should be in Sukhasana, cross leg position. Or you can do Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana, who knows Padmasana.
Okay.
It should be done in empty stomach, Anusha.
Yeah, it should be done in empty stomach. So if you have your dinner at 8, you can do it at 10. So it should have good amount of gap. And while doing yoga also, you need to have 1 hour before the practice. You need to have gap, 1 hour gap at least, before breakfast or after breakfast. 1 hour you can do yoga. I mean, after 1 hour you can start yoga. So that will be helpful. And immediately you should not eat. So you should have good amount of water so you can get hydrated. So this is all.
We recognize the presence of Rotarian Vivekanandan, President of Golden Star. Welcome, Vivekanandan.
Sir, vanakkam, sir.
Vanakkam, vanakkam. Yoga, very good. Thank you.
Yesterday's session, how was it, Vivek?
நல்லா இருந்துச்சு மேம். நிறைய டவுட் இருக்கு. நான் அவங்க கிட்ட டைரக்டா 1-to-1 பாத்துக்கறேன் மேம்.
Okay. You can ask any doubts.
I will take your contact. You conduct any online classes or something like that?
Yeah, I have conducted for my family members.
Oh, okay.
இப்போதைக்கு அவங்க எங்க கிரீன் ரொட்டேரியன் விவேகானந்தன் நல்லா எங்களுக்கெல்லாம் வந்து நல்லா டீச் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்க இப்பயே.
Good. Nice to hear that.
Welcome Priya Ajay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. பைரவன் சார், உங்களுடைய கமெண்ட்ஸ்.
சார், பைரவன் சார் மேல நான் ஒரு கம்ப்ளைண்ட் சார்.
சொல்லுங்க.
எனக்கு தெரியவே தெரியாதுன்றார் சார்.
நீங்க வந்து நாளைக்கு யோகா பண்ணி எங்க ஆயிட்டே போறீங்க. அதனால அவரால உங்களை ரெகக்னைஸ் பண்ண முடியல.
அவரு காலையில வேற மாதிரி இருக்கிறாரு, சாயந்தரத்துல வேற மாதிரி இருக்கிறாரு அவரு. அவர் சாயந்தரம் பார்த்தாரு ஒரு செக்ரட்டரி டீம் மீட்ல. அதுவும் incidentally first time I joined that group for after many years of being only in the WhatsApp connection. But at last பார்த்த இவங்க ரொம்ப சின்சியரா இருக்கிறாங்க. எல்லாரையும் பார்க்கணும். சரி, ஒரு வர்ச்சுவல் மீட்டிங்ல வந்தாங்க. ஒரு சில பேர் தான் அவங்க போட்டோவோட போடுவாங்க. அப்பப்போ செக்ரட்டரி குரூப்ல நான் தான் ரவி, நான் தான் சாய் அப்படி எல்லாம். இவரு விவேக் ரொம்ப குவைட் மேன் இவரு. சோ எனக்கு இந்த மார்னிங்ல பாக்குறது அப்படியே ஒரு டிஃபரெண்ட் பிக்சர். பட் ரியலி ஓகே. ஐ அப்பாலஜைஸ் ஃபார் having not recognized.
Thank you so much, sir.
எங்க குரூப்ல அவர் பேரு சித்தப்பு. அவர் பேரு சித்தப்பு.
It's nice to meet you all. Other Rotary odia benefit, like wherever you are, we meet lots of people, and one of the main area of happiness is knowing a lot of people, right? So it's great. Anusha also did a wonderful job. You were a bit very fast. நீங்க வந்து டாய்ச்சி ஓட ஆப்போசிட்டா இருக்கிறீங்க.
Thank you.
அவர் எவ்வளவு ஸ்லோ மோஷன்ல இருந்தார். But anyway, yoga is all about going about in a very very rhythmic and
yeah, it should go with the flow, with inhale and exhale. Then only it helps us to get our
Your video, she has kept her video, I mean, camera somewhere quite long distance, you know. So I was just coming very near and watching what you're doing.
Absolutely. With our kind of vision, it is a problem. We have to come. Secondly, I think, yeah, but what is my question is even, basically I played lots of sports and unfortunately yoga was not a great, that much popular in our times. I don't know whether it was only known as some sages will do go yoga. At least up to 90s வரைக்கும் இது அப்படிதான் நினைச்சிட்டு இருந்தோம் பெரிய சுவாமி ஆனாதான் யோகா பண்ணணும்னு. But today it has been incorporated in sports science and so much of, it has contributed to fitness as a, schedule. But I used to always have difficulty sitting cross-legged. In the last, couple of years that I have been also practicing or learned yoga through Isha, it has improved a lot. It has improved my flexibility, improved my sitting, cross-leg sitting postures and other things. So you have to try panala kuda, but still I can't as flexible as you are, like, able to squat yourself so easily and get up easily and then sit down and, do your butterfly stroke. It's still high only. Enna panninga adukku? What is your secret of getting yourself? But because you also started 2 years back only.
Yeah. Actually, you should have a daily practice at your home and you can regularly attend the sessions so that it helps you to keep your body fit, strong and flexible. So I have joined Cure.fit, wherein it helps me to motivate me and set my time, my own time. So I'll book a slot, and as it is now entirely online, I book my slot morning or evening, and I practice yoga every day. Not even a single day I miss. So, and that helps me to keep my body fit and active.
Is there any right time to do yoga?
Pardon me?
The best time to do yoga?
Best time to do yoga, Surya Namaskar, in the morning, early morning, and in the evening from 5. So before sunrise, you have to start. That is very powerful. So generally, we should do it in the morning, but nowadays youngsters don't follow it. So it has come down to evening. So that's how it is.
Practice makes you perfect. Thank you, Anusha, for telling us. We will also
Thank
follow
you.
it.
And Brahmari is also helps us to keep our lifestyle happy, and also it helps us to keep our relationships strong. And please try this every day, and you'll get good sleep. So I hope you all enjoyed my class, and thank you everyone.
I think Vivek had lots of questions.
Sir, என்ன sir?
விவேகானந்தா ஏதாவது கேள்வி இருக்கான்னு கேக்குறாங்க.
இல்ல sir, ஒண்ணும் இல்ல sir. Thank you sir. Thank you so much, Anusha.
Anusha, இப்ப தனியா பண்ற, is it better to do alone or we have to do it in groups?
Yeah, we can do it in group.
Okay. So I think we had a wonderful session. Everybody have really enjoyed it. And any comments from Lakshmi Madam? Lakshmi Madam is the mother-in-law of Anusha. So mother-in-law கிட்ட ஒரு compliment வாங்கணும் அனுஷாக்கு.
వదినా అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి.
అందరూ చూస్తా ఉన్నారు కదా.
Yeah, unmute. Father-in-law is going to compliment by the looks of it. Father-in-law is closed it. Oh my God. Okay, very nicely done, Anusha. We are so proud of you. My only, I think there was mobile number. Was it your parents or who was that?
Sorry,
I think
I'm-
someone was there. Your parents, I think.
your my parents not able to hear.
చాలా బాగా చేసావు మా అనుష.
Thank you, Atama.
నేను కూడా కొన్ని బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తా. ఒకటి నేను మిస్ చేశాను, ఇప్పుడు నేను చూసి చేసేస్తా.
Okay, super. I'm happy.
ఐ మిస్ అవుట్, ఇప్పుడు అది కూడా రెగ్యులర్ గా చేసేస్తాను.
Sure. Thank you.
వెరీ గుడ్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్.
Thank you.
Veena, are you still available?
Yes, President sir, that was a wonderful show, Anusha.
Okay. Yes.
We had a great time, especially my daughter, a big fan of you. She was also doing the entire time. Krisha, you like to say something?
Yeah. Thank you so much, Anushata. The session was really relaxing. After the session, I'm feeling more active and relaxed.
Very nice.
Super.
And at Krisha, very good. Very good for your comments. And I will be requesting you to say vote of thanks. And at Krisha. And at Krisha, please say vote of thanks.
Thank you all so much for all the Rotarians. And Rotarian Anusha, Atta for the session.
Thank you.
Welcome. Very nice. This is the first time we are hearing a vote of thanks from Annette. Very good. Welcome and congratulations to both Veena and Annette Krisha. Good. With this, we end today's session and we will have a informal discussion. Thank you very much.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you, Vivekanandan.
Thank you, President ji. Thank you.
Thank you. JVK sir kilometer போல இருக்கு.
అనుష నైస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్, చాలా బాగుంది.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
వెల్కమ్.
So as Bhairavan sir said, yours was like a bullet train. Probably you can make as a passenger train for us. We have to consider our age.
Sure, next time I'll do it more slowly.
Yeah, you can have one.
No.
session.
You can do it fast, but you have to make us do slowly. That's all.
Yeah.
Slowly, you have to slowly change our gears. We can't straight away go to third gear. You have to start for us from first gear, then second, then third, after final, speed up. How many Surya Namaskar padla at any given time? சில பேர் சொல்றாங்க 10 பண்ணணும் 100 பண்ணணும். Some people say don't do too much.
I used to do 1 or 8. Then again, I started doing 60 cycles of Surya Namaskar every day.
60 cycles.
So it also helps me a lot. And
How long does it take to do one
and it
cycle?
will be very focused. Our mind will be very focused.
Take usually about 2 minutes to do one cycle.
Yeah,
Each one with all the breathing.
because right side, left side, it will take 2 minutes.
Yeah.
And we have to do with inhale, exhalation, so it will take time.
I think that's right. Ultimate, greatest discovery of Indian yoga science, where it says that Surya Namaskara has been now appreciated globally, which is accepted as the most comprehensive, exercise from head to toe. It kind of stretches us. So the more we do, the better only. Yes, it's nice. In the current generation, we have been, you're all much more luckier when compared to our times. At least some way or the other, you got exposure to this. Now even virtual world is, further propagating or disseminating this information well. So yes, you can be our sir. She can be our Gemini Guru.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I should also thank Karthik, Anne, who has been helping her in setting up all the video and other things. Thank you, Karthik.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah,
Thank you,
yeah, my pleasure.
Very nice.
It was nice to see Anusha take the role of yoga guru, and also it was very nice.
So she is also giving you drill, yoga drill.
Yeah. So I also started doing it at home daily. Now that there's lockdown, right? So yeah.
Very good. Very good.
And you also do with Anusha daily or weekly once?
No. I'll do separately. She'll do separately.
Great.
I tried to pull many times, but he
Oh.
didn't.
No, probably you're
Maybe
too
you'll be doing
fast for
separately.
Karthik also. ఉండు మీ అత్తగారు మాట్లాడండి లక్ష్మి గారు మాట్లాడండి
ఓకే అన్నిసార్లు నువ్వు చేయలేవు కదా సూర్య నమస్కారాలు ఓకే
How was
ఒక
the session,
sentence చెప్తావా
లక్ష్మి గారు చెప్పేశారా ఓకే సారీ ఓకే
Anusha, once I went with Karthik to some yoga class. Even he was doing well at that time. Maybe I don't know how he's doing now. Surya Namaskar in the institute, I think within 10 minutes we have to do 10 times. We have done it. I and Karthik, some institute. You can ask him the name. It was done very well. It was 2 years back, 3 years back.
Sandhya garu, give us your feedback about your daughter's yoga session. Sandhya?
About your daughter.
Hello.
Sandhya, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Yeah, give us your feedback on your daughter's yoga session.
She is good. I'm grateful for you. Our talent is coming out because of you only.
No. It's our pleasure, and we are so happy that she's so gifted, and because of her hard work only. It is definitely an acquired thing, right? She has really taken a liking to it, and she's so flexible. That's what really amazes us, like I had a trial session yesterday with her. She was so amazing, and yesterday she did that bow asana also. What do you call it? Bow and arrow, bow.
Bond arrow.
Dhanurasan. She did Dhanurasan also. So very flexible. That's what I really, because she says it is good for weight loss, right? And she herself has proven it. She has lost weight and she's so flexible and a flat stomach. That's what really is very, very amazing. Usually when you're a bit plump, you're automatically, you will gain in your stomach. Whereas her yoga has made her stomach so flat, which is really something to look forward to for all.
Okay. Thank you. I should thank you first because due to you only she is doing now. If she has talent also she should have a chance to expose. Now she is getting exposed.
That's what our president does. He identifies all our talents and gives us all an opportunity to
that is important. That is very much important. If you have talent also, that is very important.
Nice talking to you, Sandhya. How are you guys keeping up in Bangalore?
Yeah, it's fine. We are all fine. Thank you. Actually, I missed her session today only. I asked her to record.
Yeah, we've recorded it.
Then I'll watch it afterwards. Then
How is Bangalore, ma'am? How is Bangalore?
Yeah, always nice. Bangalore is always nice. Only Corona is boring. That's all.
Yeah, that's true. But any lockups are like the shops are opened or
no. Till 7th year also lockdown. Only from 6 to 10 it will be open. That's all. Same as Chennai only.
No, in Chennai it is closed even now.
Total.
Anusha told only for Sunday. Okay. Here they will open from not all shops, only provisions and
Groceries.
milk, groceries and this thing. That's all. Vegetables, fruits. That's all. Everything other shops are closed.
Okay.
సంధ్య బాగున్నారా?
Okay, doctor.
బాగుండను మీరంతా బాగుండరా?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Bhairavan, sir.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank
మీ
you for
అమ్మాయి చాలా
joining
బాగా
us.
చేస్తుంది.
Enjoy with my
Thank you.
granddaughter. Suryaக்கு hello சொல்லுங்க.
హలో.
సంధ్య
చెప్పండి.
చెప్పండి ఏం లేదు, వెరీ నైస్. సో వి ఎంజాయ్డ్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ, చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ అండి. నేను మీకు అందరికి థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పాలా, ఇన్నాళ్ళకి దానికి ఆపర్చునిటీ వచ్చింది కదా, అదే నాకు హ్యాపీ.
places once she starts taking online sessions, you know, it will definitely get it. Definitely. All of the places to her.
అదే actually she learned for 4 or 5 years I think so in the class, but she was ఇంట్లో చేస్తా ఉండింది అంతదా. Now only she has got opportunity. అట్లే వస్తా ఉంటే one day she will become a good tutor.
Absolutely. And she's pleasant also. She's calm. So nice.
Thank you అండి, చాలా థ్యాంక్స్. హ్యాపీ టు హియర్.
All our blessings to her.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి, చాలా థ్యాంక్స్. అదే కావాలా మాకు.
That's all. Thanks, family. Thank you so much.
ఓకే అండి, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
All of you have a wonderful Sunday.
Okay.
We'll meet again. Bye, Sandhya.
Bye అండి, bye.
Stay safe, everyone. Bye. Thank you.
Bye అండి, bye.
Bye, Babas. Bye, Babas.
Bye, brothers. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Anusha.
అందరికీ బాయ్ అండి.
Bye. We'll end the meeting.
Bye.
ఓకే అండి.